performances to contemporary acts, from soulful melodies to energetic rhythms, we have curated a lineup that promises to entertain, inspire, and unite us all. As we begin this cultural extravaganza, we invite you to immerse yourself in the spirit of the event. Cheer for the performers and most importantly, celebrate the power of culture to bring us together. Without further ado, let's begin our journey of artistic brilliance and cultural pride. Prayer dance. It enhances spiritual connection, encourages emotional expression, promotes physical well-being, and moreover, fosters community and unity. Let's invite Angel Johnson Dawn, Gauri KG, Rekha Maria, Elizabeth Avanish, Tessa Paul Painadan, Arutha Rian, Sarah Ross Painadan, Julia Sanchez, and Amya Sunil Pratish for this prayer dance.
ನಟರಾಜ ನಟರಾಜ
सा 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 pani pa pani सा 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 pani pa ni 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 pa 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 re ma pa ni 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 pa ma pa pa ma re sa sa re ma pa ni ma pa ni da sa re ma pa ni ma pa ni da sa re ma pa ni ma pa ni sa. ನಮಾಮಿ ನಮಾಮಿ ಈಶ್ವರನಾಟ್ಯ ಪೂಜಿತಂ ನಮಾಮಿ ನಮಾಮಿ ಶಂಕರಪಾದ ವಂದಿತಂ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆಗಳ ನಾದ ತೋಂತನಂ ಪಾದಗಳ ಕುಣಿತಾಧೀರ್ತನಂ ಸಂಗೀತ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ